Hi, guys.
Hi.
Who are you?
Anna.
And who are you?
Karen. What? Karen.
And where are you going to go after you meet Mickey? School. Can you guys sing your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay!
Awesome job, guys.
Now we can
Bye.
sing